Make sure you're not clockable, baby. Make sure that even though she's glueless, baby, she's not telling all your business, baby. Whew! I swear, y'all, I am not one for change. I did take out the lights in the back. I think I'm gonna bring it back. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and hop right in to this review. Big thank you to CurlsCurls for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you're new here, or maybe you've been here for a minute, boo. Drop me a comment down below, and as always, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now let's go ahead and hop into this beauty, baby. Yes, honey, by CurlsCurls. Y'all, listen, the lace is so good on this unit. I actually contemplated not wearing a wig cap with this installation, so I did have to push it back considerably. And then I also followed up with my foundation by Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 450. Process time for straightening this unit, it did take about 30 to 45 minutes, and let me tell you, once you get this straight, baby, the bulk is gone and this looks so dang good. So we are gonna keep this first style glueless, and then I will show you a different style at the end. All I'm gonna use for disguising the lace that we have on the sides, I think I am gonna go in with the setting mousse and maybe just a little bit of spray, a little bit on my fingers, rub it. And I'm not even going to use the brush because I really don't think we need to. Okay, we might. Okay, so we do need to use the brush only because this lace is so dang good, y'all. Alright, so I am just going to go in here. I'm not going to do anything drastic. You see, we kind of got a little bit of the lace sticking up just a little bit. So y'all know I'm not with the swoopity swoops, okay? So I am gonna go in with just a little bit of this spray. I am gonna use my fingers. And I'm not even really trying to glue this down. What I'm trying to do is to get this lace to lay flat. Okay, so we'll do the same with the ear tabs. Ooh, almost too much. And this is all I have. You can barely see it. And I'm just going to place it, and I'm just going to rub it into the lace. And all I'm doing is just kind of hardening the lace so it lays flat against my hairline. Let's see if we can tuck something behind the ear. A little something. Okay, so I think because I want this tucked behind my ear, I think I may have to Oh, wait a second. It might be doing what I wanted to do. Hold on. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some skills up in it. Okay. So I'm going to go in with just a little bit more, because it looks like it's starting to do what I want it to do. I think that looks good, y'all. Okay. I can only see so much, but this is looking really good. So I am going to cut some of this off just to make it look a little bit more realistic, a little bit more natural. So we are going to cut just a little bit of this hair off. Okay, maybe I'll cut off just a little bit more. And of course, with the lace, now you see it and now you don't. Girl, I tell you, CurlsCurls about to make me fix them a plate. Alright, so I am gonna go in with my foundation brush here. Whatever is left on it from when I did my makeup, I think I'll freshen up while we're at it. A little shiny, bright like a diamond. Alright, so, and whatever that picked up, I'm just gonna press it right into the hairline on here. Listen, I'm thinking about the summer approaching, 85, 95, 110 degrees, depending on where you're at. Baby, out of my face. You know what I'm saying? Definitely will get you through not only the fall or the winter months, but you can also transition this unit into summer. I always get nervous when it comes to units with delicate lace. These lights are very unforgiving and they will tell all your business and have you clockable on Front Street, okay? So this installation honestly did take a little bit more TLC, a little bit more effort than I would do if I were to just wear this like in the real world. There are things that are not going to be noticeable in the real world that are going to be noticeable under these lights because they cancel out shadows. I hope that makes sense. I think the only thing that I would change about this unit is definitely the way they have the tracks placed. It's a little bulky on the sides, and when I fill up here, it's actually where the tracks start and the frontal ends. I am getting a little bit of bunching in the back, but I think you can kind of fix that. Now this is a just a fit for me, so there's like little room for error. Now they do offer different wig cap sizes. This is a medium on me. You can get the custom size where it will tack on $30 to your total price. This unit starts off at 12 inches in the T-part style or just a middle part, and that will give you a very friendly price of $209 with all of the customizations I have, baby. Okay, this is a tax time splurge, okay? Now I do believe that the 14 inch is going to look absolutely natural on this unit. It's going to give you an everyday look. This is not a preset part unit, meaning that it did come just straight back all over, so the part is not as wide as some may like. I personally would go through and pluck some hairs out of this unit. I didn't for the sake of this review. I just left it as is, and I still think it looks really good. So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit by CurlsCurls, I will have a link to their store as well as a direct link to this unit as well down below in the description box. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Click that subscribe button. Drop your girl a comment down below. And most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.